Welcome to the Ontario Mortgage and Real Estate Insights podcast, your go-to source for the latest developments, trends, and regulatory changes in the industry. I'm your host, Steve Hamoan, here to provide you with insights sourced from reputable news outlets to help you stay informed and make well-informed decisions.
This podcast is brought to you by Real Approved Incorporated, a trusted mortgage brokerage dedicated to helping Canadians achieve their homeownership dreams. Visit realapproved.ca to learn more about how our experienced team can assist you with your mortgage needs. Let's dive into today's episode.
Today, we're going to kick things off by discussing the lowest fixed and variable mortgage rates in Canada for March 27th, 2025. It's an interesting time in the mortgage market, with fixed rates dropping recently due to the ongoing trade war initiated by Donald Trump, which has led to plummeting bond yields. These bond yields are a key factor in determining prices for fixed-rate products.
That's right, Steve. It's fascinating how external factors like international trade tensions can have such a significant impact on our domestic mortgage rates. With the difference between fixed and variable rates being the smallest it has been in years, it's a crucial time for mortgage hunters to weigh their options carefully.
Absolutely, Janine. When it comes to choosing between fixed and variable rates, it often boils down to one's expectations of future interest rate cuts by the Bank of Canada. According to Penelope Graham from ratehub.ca, if you believe the Bank of Canada will continue to cut rates, opting for a variable rate mortgage could be a strategic move.
Yes, and it's important to consider your risk tolerance. As Ms. Graham notes, those who think the Bank of Canada will continue to cut rates and who have the risk tolerance might find that gamble pays off in spades. It's about balancing potential savings with comfort and security.
For those interested in exploring the current mortgage rates, ratehub.ca provides a comprehensive list of today's rates for each term and type, whether insured or uninsured. It's a valuable resource for Canadians looking to make informed decisions about their mortgage options.
It's always beneficial to do your homework. Comparing rates and understanding the nuances of each option can really empower you to make the right choice for your financial situation. And remember, we're here to help guide you through these decisions.
Let's shift our focus to the recent economic news. Canada's economy started 2025 with a stronger than anticipated growth, but it seems this momentum might be short-lived due to looming tariff threats. Real GDP rose by 0.4% in January, building on a 0.3% gain in December, surpassing both Statistics Canada's estimates and economists' expectations. This broad-based growth was particularly driven by goods-producing sectors, which saw a 1.1% increase. Notable contributions came from mining, utilities, manufacturing, and construction.
It's encouraging to see the economy showing some resilience with broad-based growth across many sectors. But, as you mentioned, Steve, the looming threat of tariffs could dampen this progress. It's a reminder of how interconnected our global economy is and how external factors can quickly change the landscape.
Absolutely, Janine. While the goods-producing sectors like mining and utilities showed strong performances, retail trade saw a decline of 0.9% in January. Economists have noted that the economic momentum from late 2024 helped lift GDP further in January. However, the real test will be how the economy performs in the coming months, especially with the threat of tariffs looming.
Yes, and according to TD economist Mark Ercolau, while the first quarter growth is tracking around 2.0%, the future remains uncertain. The StatCan flash estimate for February shows no growth, indicating that the momentum might be stalling. It's concerning, especially for Canadians who are already feeling the pinch from other economic pressures.
Douglas Porter from BMO points out that January's growth was largely fueled by earlier rate cuts, but with the trade war tensions rising, this boost might be nearing its end. The sentiment has chilled considerably since the start of February, affecting consumer and business confidence. It's going to be a challenging time ahead if these tariffs come into play.
Indeed, Steve. And with the Bank of Canada's next move being unpredictable amidst these uncertainties, it's crucial for Canadians to stay informed. Porter suggests the bank may hold steady, unless there's a significant deterioration in the economic outlook. However, Ercolao anticipates 2 25 basis point rate cuts in the coming meetings to cushion the economy against a potential trade conflict.
That's right, Janine. But it's all contingent on how the tariff situation unfolds. If the US administration were to reverse their tariff plans, it could change the outlook significantly. However, as Ercolao notes, that seems unlikely at this point. We'll have to keep a close eye on these developments as they play out.
It's a complex situation, Steve. While we hope for the best, it's essential for Canadians to prepare for potential economic turbulence. Staying informed and understanding the implications of these global factors on our domestic economy will be key in navigating the months ahead.
Let's turn our attention to some recent developments within the Ontario Real Estate Association, or OREA, as they've just announced their new president and board of directors for 2025. This is a significant update for the real estate community in Ontario, as these leaders will be steering the direction of the association and influencing the broader real estate landscape.
That's right, Steve. Kathy Polin, a realtor based in Belleville, has taken on the role of president of OREA. Kathy will be representing nearly 100,000 realtors across Ontario, focusing on providing them with the necessary tools, resources, and support to help build stronger communities. Her leadership comes at a crucial time as the association aims to enhance professional standards and improve consumer protection.
Kathy Polin has expressed her commitment to working with members, member board leaders, and industry partners to navigate the real estate profession forward. Her focus is on keeping the dream of homeownership alive for future generations, which is a significant goal considering the current challenges in the housing market.
It's heartening to see such dedication to community building and consumer protection. Along with Kathy, Kimberly Fairley, a realtor from Sault Ste. Marie, has been elected as the 2025 president-elect. She will also serve as provincial director for Northern Ontario. Kimberly is advocating for bold and innovative solutions to ensure more housing supply is brought to market, covering everything from rentals to single-family homes.
Yes, and the new board of directors includes several other notable additions, such as Manny Andrade as director-at-large and Alison Porter as provincial director for Western Ontario. These leaders will be instrumental in shaping policies that impact real estate practices across the province.
It's a diverse and experienced team, Steve. The returning board members, including Rick Kedzier as past president and Ryan Humble as director-at-large, bring continuity and experience to the table, which is important for maintaining the momentum in ongoing initiatives.
Absolutely, Janine. With the collective experience and passion of these board members, OREA is well positioned to tackle the challenges facing the real estate industry. Their leadership will be crucial in advocating for policies that support realtors and the communities they serve.
It's an exciting time for the Ontario Real Estate Association, and I'm hopeful that these new leaders will have a positive impact on the housing market and help bring about meaningful change. For those interested in learning more about the 2025 Board of Directors and their plans, you can visit OREA's website for further details.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Ontario Mortgage and Real Estate Insights podcast. We hope you found today's insights valuable as you navigate the world of mortgages and real estate.
Before you go, a quick reminder, Real Approved is here to make your mortgage journey smoother. Whether you're buying your first home or refinancing, their experienced team is ready to guide you with personalized support every step of the way. Visit realapproved.ca to get started and take the next step toward achieving your home ownership goals. Catch you next time and stay informed with the latest industry insights.